Hi everyone, so we're going to have a look at our maths home learning this week, and I thought this week, because it's the last week of year 4 lessons, that we'd have a look at a few puzzles and problems. So we're going to start off with a nice straightforward one today. Magic squares. We'll start off with this amazing fact. In 2004, the Czech musician Zendak Zahadodak spent 10 days buried underground in a coffin without food or water. He survived by breathing through a ventilation pipe. Did you also know that maths and numbers can be magic? Look at this magic square below. The total, that means when you add them all up together, the total along any line, horizontal, this direction, vertical, this direction, or diagonal, this direction, is the same. The magic number for this square is 34. So when you add up those 4 numbers along that line, they will total 34, or those 4 numbers along that horizontal line, or those on the vertical, or those on the vertical, or even these in the diagonals. The total will always be 34. Magic. Let's check. 2 add 7 is 9. 9 add 12 is 21. Add 13 is 34. That one works. Let's check a diagonal. 6 and 4 is 10 and 13 is 23. Add 11, 34. Can you pause the video and check that they do actually all magically add up to 34? Well done for checking. Now, your turn to have a go at some magic squares. You've got to see if you can complete these magic squares. It doesn't have to add up to 34, but you need to make sure that it adds up to the same amount on every row, every column, and every diagonal. Don't use the same number twice in a square. The numbers must add up to the same number in each row, column, and diagonal. So some of them have given you a little bit of a clue to help, because look, this one has got all 3 numbers in its diagonal. So we know 6 and 4 is 10 and 8 is 18. So if this diagonal is 18, this diagonal is also going to be 18. 9 and 6 is 15, 16, 17, 18. That means that each diagonal and row and column has to be 18. Can you find the missing numbers for that one? Then we've got this one to have a go at. Can you find the missing totals here? So you've got 3. Same here, you already know these 3 numbers here. Again, you've been given 3 numbers here to help you. Now, when you get down here, it's going to be a little bit more tricky. But if you add up these 2 and these 2, you'll notice something about those. So there can only be one number here that fits. That might help you start off. And then this one is a last little challenge. Okay, so you'll need to pause the video while you get on with those. And then I'm not going to show you the answers to these ones today. I'd like you to send me some of the answers, send me some photographs or write me an email, because this week's just for fun, just to have a go at some puzzling challenges. So good luck with your magic squares, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more puzzling challenges.